When it comes to enhancing your Plano home's curb appeal, functionality, and safety, professional exterior illumination is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Well-planned and strategically installed outdoor lighting not only adds aesthetic value to your property but also provides practical benefits that improve security and create a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you are looking to light up your garden, accentuate architectural features, or improve nighttime safety, professional exterior illumination offers a range of advantages for homeowners in Plano. Here are some of the top benefits of professional outdoor lighting installation. Increased curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of professional exterior illumination is the dramatic improvement it can make to your home's curb appeal. When done correctly, outdoor lighting can accentuate the beauty of your landscaping, architecture, and entryway. It creates an inviting and visually appealing atmosphere that enhances your home's exterior. For example, uplighting can highlight the natural beauty of trees, shrubs, and garden features, while pathway lights can guide visitors to your front door with ease. Professional lighting experts know exactly how to balance brightness, shadows, and light placement to create a stunning visual effect that improves the look of your property. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more attractive living space, professional exterior lighting helps elevate your home's aesthetic appeal. Improved security and safety. Another significant benefit of outdoor lighting is the improvement in your home's security. Well-lit areas are less likely to attract criminals, who prefer dark and hidden spaces where they can act undetected. Installing lights around your property's perimeter, near entrances, driveways, and dark corners can deter criminal activity by eliminating areas where intruders could hide or sneak in unnoticed. Motion sensor lights are an excellent addition for enhancing security. They automatically turn on when movement is detected, immediately alerting you to any potential activity near your home. These lights act as a deterrent, as criminals are less likely to approach a well-lit property with motion-activated lights. Additionally, lighting your walkways and entry points helps prevent trips and falls, making your home safer for both residents and guests. Extended outdoor living space. In Plano, where the climate is ideal for outdoor living, lighting plays a crucial role in allowing homeowners to enjoy their outdoor spaces long after the sun sets. Whether you have a patio, deck, pool area, or garden, exterior illumination allows you to extend the use of these spaces during the evening hours. Well-placed lighting can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere for outdoor gatherings, dinners, or quiet relaxation in the yard. String lights, deck lighting, or lanterns can turn your outdoor space into a welcoming retreat that you can enjoy at any time of day or night. With professional outdoor lighting, you'll have the ability to entertain, unwind, or simply enjoy your property after dark, increasing your home's usable space. Enhanced landscape design. Professional outdoor lighting can be used to highlight specific features of your landscaping design. For instance, if you've invested in beautiful landscaping, why not make the most of it by showcasing it at night? Lighting can emphasize unique features like water fountains, sculptures, or beautiful flowers. Lighting can also bring attention to architectural details, such as columns, facades, and entryways, creating a dynamic look that adds depth and dimension to your home's exterior. A professional lighting designer will understand the intricacies of your landscaping and recommend the best types of lighting, such as spotlights, wall washers, or floodlights, to achieve the desired effect. The result is a stunning and cohesive design that transforms your outdoor space into a well-lit oasis. Increased property value. Investing in professional exterior illumination can also boost your home's value. Homes with thoughtfully designed outdoor lighting are often viewed as more attractive and well-maintained, which can make them more desirable to potential buyers. In Plano's competitive real estate market, homes with appealing curb appeal and enhanced outdoor spaces tend to stand out. Outdoor lighting not only enhances the visual appeal but also signals that the property is well cared for, making it a more attractive option for prospective buyers. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to improve its overall value, professional outdoor lighting is a smart investment that provides both immediate enjoyment and long-term returns. Energy efficiency and sustainability. With advancements in lighting technology, outdoor lighting can be both energy efficient and sustainable. LED lights are an excellent choice for exterior illumination, as they use less energy and have a longer lifespan than traditional bulbs. These lights provide a high level of brightness while consuming minimal power, which means you can enjoy beautiful lighting without increasing your energy bills significantly. Additionally, solar-powered lights are an eco-friendly option that doesn't require an external power source. They harness the power of the sun to provide lighting at night, making them ideal for areas like garden paths, driveways, and backyard features. These energy-efficient options help you reduce your environmental footprint while still achieving the aesthetic and functional benefits of outdoor lighting. Customizable solution. Every home and landscape is unique, and professional exterior lighting offers the benefit of a fully customizable solution tailored to your specific needs. A lighting expert will work with you to assess your home's layout, landscaping, and security requirements to create a lighting design that enhances your property's features and meets your goals. Whether you prefer soft ambient lighting for a relaxing atmosphere or bright task lighting for safety and visibility, a professional designer will recommend the best fixtures, placement, and styles to meet your vision. Customizable lighting solutions also allow you to adjust the intensity and timing of the lights, ensuring you achieve the perfect balance of function and style. Conclusion. Professional exterior illumination is one of the most effective ways to enhance your Plano home's curb appeal, security, and outdoor living space. From creating an inviting and visually appealing environment to increasing safety and energy efficiency, exterior lighting offers numerous benefits for homeowners. By working with a professional lighting expert, you can create a customized lighting design that brings out the best in your home, extends your outdoor living space, and boosts your property's value. Whether you're looking to enjoy your outdoor spaces more or improve your home's safety and aesthetic appeal, investing in professional outdoor lighting is a decision that will pay off for years to come.